Looking for ways to enhance your garden space? Delve into the world of DIY garden crafts, an enjoyable and rewarding pathway to a beautiful garden. We'll explore painted rock markers, handmade bird feeders, and upcycled container gardens. Get ready to transform your garden into a personalized paradise. First up, we have painted rock garden markers. Gather some smooth stones, acrylic paint, and a paintbrush. Paint the name of each plant on a rock and let it dry. This fun project adds a vibrant splash to your garden. With these eye-catching markers, you'll never forget where you planted your favorite flowers or vegetables. Next, we have DIY bird feeders. Gather some pine cones, peanut butter, birdseed, and a string. Simply spread the peanut butter on the pine cone, roll it in seed, and hang it up. Your garden will soon be buzzing with chirping guests. With these DIY bird feeders, your garden will become a haven for feathered friends. Finally, let's explore upcycled container gardens. All you need are old containers, soil, and your favorite plants. This ingenious project breathes new life into unused containers, making your garden space even more vibrant. These upcycled container gardens are not only eco-friendly, but also a perfect addition to your garden aesthetics. And there you have it, 3 simple yet effective DIY projects to enhance your garden space. Painted rock markers, DIY bird feeders, upcycled container gardens, all bringing creativity, fun, and functionality. Enjoyed the video? Be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more garden crafts and DIY projects. Happy gardening!